The term freelance has a history as colourful as its modern implications. Originating in the early 19th century, the word was first used by Sir Walter Scott in his novel Ivanhoe to describe medieval mercenaries who wielded their lances for whoever paid. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, and the concept began to evolve. As typewriters clicked and clattered, writers started selling their skills independently, echoing the mercenary spirit of their predecessors. This transition from taverns to typewriters symbolizes the adaptability of the freelance spirit throughout history. Today, freelancers, armed with laptops, offer their talents across global platforms. Thus, the journey of freelance reflects a remarkable evolution from mercenary for hire to digital creative, adapting perpetually to the demands of the era.